Lay the napkin face down in front of you. Fold the napkin in half. Fold the napkin in quarters. Fold the napkin in half diagonally, creating a triangle. Position the napkin so the open tip is facing away from you. Fold the right corner diagonally towards you, laying it along the center line of the triangle, making a new point towards you. Do the same with the left-hand corner. Fold it diagonally towards you and press it next to the previous fold. Now you have a diamond. Fold the two wings that you have just made under, so you have your original triangle shape back. Fold the triangle in half by bringing the center seam towards you, allowing the ends to fall. Hold the base firmly to keep your folds together and pull up the 4 flaps. Your completed Bed of Paradise napkin fold should look like this.